Welcome back. Feast of Our Lady of Mother Mary was celebrated in the state. Thousands of people ardently thanked Our Lady of Vailankani for all her mercies. She is hailed for her abundant blessings, for good health and prosperity. The day is also celebrated as Mother's Day. We wish all our viewers happy feast.
आयज कातोलीक पवित्र सभा आंकवार मारयेच्या जल्माची परब करता. आमचे फिलगर्जेन आमी ती मनयल्या. आंकवार मारयेच्या 3 गुणाचेर आयज आमच्यांनी नियाळ करूंक जाता. पयलो गूण म्हळ्यार आंकवार मारिया जावन आसा देवाची आपुरबायाची दूत. मॅरी इज द बिलावड डॉटर ऑफ गॉड द फादर. दुसरे सुवातेर आमी पळोवंक जाता मारिया जावन आसा काळजीदार आवय. मॅरी इज द करेजियस मदर. आनी तिसरे सुवातेर आमी पळोवंक जाता मारिया जावन आसा धिरादीक आमकां आसगारीण, पावरफूल इंटरसिडर. आमचे पासत ती सदांच मागणी करता.
For 9 consecutive days, the faithfuls worship and pray to Our Lady for her divine mercies. People also have grand litanies all 9 days. Thousands of people travel to Madras to offer their prayers and to pay their vows. Reporter Savya Dice for Prudent.
Fathoda MLA Vijay Sardesai has criticized Present Chief Minister for not acting on the illegal mining in Goa after coming into power. He has now demanded that government should implement recommendations made by Shah Commission on illegal mining in the state. Sardesai further demanded withholding or scrapping of the mining policy.
Shah Commission has recommended in its report that dumps of mines should not be exported without the permission of Indian Bureau of Mines and central government. Hence, MLA Vijay Sardesai has asked the state government to withhold or withdraw the policy. The draft of the policy is open for public for recommendation till 10 September.
माझो डिमांड असो हा की ही पॉलिसी स्क्रॅप करची ओ विथहोल्ड करची ओ विथड्रॉ करची एट द मोमेंट. बिकॉज गोंयच्या लोकांनी शाह कमिशन रिपोर्टाची रेमिफिकेशन्स जे कितें ताजे फॉलआउट आहा हो वाचुनी आनी एब्जॉर्व जावनी आनी दर्या सरकार फुडें वता आनी मायनींग पॉलिसी करूंक सोदता जाल्यार अशें दिसता की हे 35,000 कोटींत न्ही ताजे परत चड पयशांचे स्कॅम आनी एक फुडें केन्ना तरी भायर सरतले.
Vijay charged that all the chief ministers of Goa along with the present chief minister is involved in allowing condonation of delay. He says leases of 33 mines should be suspended as they failed to take permission from National Wildlife Board.
डिले कंडोनेशन ऑफ डिले म्हणून आहा तातूंत म्हाका दिसता आतांचो चीफ मिनिस्टरूय एक कडेन खंय तरी इनवॉल्ड आहा. म्हळ्यार सगळे गोंयचे चीफ मिनिस्टर आज मेरेन जाल्यार तांणी कंडोनेशन ऑफ डिले अलाव केल्ली आहा. म्हजो डिमांड आहा की ह्यो 33 मायनाची लायसन्सां इमिजिएटली सस्पेंड करची आनी तांकां ते नॅशनल वायल्ड लायफ बोर्डाचे क्लियरन्स हाडून मागीर मायनींग स्टार्ट करून दी. दर्या हो आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर गेले 6 म्हयन्या इलिगल मायनींग बंद करूंक सोदतालो जाल्यार ह्यो 33 मायनी चालू कश्यो उरल्यो गेले 6 म्हयन्यान.
Reporter Samir Bhatt from Madgaon for Prudent Media.
The Biology Teachers Association of Goa organized a quiz competition based on environment. This year, the 4th Inter-High Secondary Environmental Quiz was hosted by Mushtifund High Secondary. The quiz aims at increasing knowledge on environmental issues and academic activities.
The 4th Inter-High Secondary Quiz was held at Goa Science Centre in Miramar. Biotech organized the quiz competition with an aim to create awareness on environment. Around 26 high secondaries participated in the quiz competition.
What is the full form of CFL for Satrega? It is compact fluorescent light. It is crystal fractal light. It is compact fluorescent lamp. What is the cathode fluorescent lamp? Yes, give answer first. A. Is compact fluorescent light. It's not the correct answer. Correct answer is CFL stand for, or full form is compact fluorescent lamp.
Around 26 high secondaries have participated. Each team had about 2 students, and it is being generated or it is being posted to create awareness regarding environment to the students, to the young minds of today.
Prajot Pednekar for Prudent.
Patriotic singing competition will be held by Dr. K.B. Hegdewar High School on Tuesday. Purna Vande Mataram is an interstate group singing competition. The PTA of the school has organized this program to inculcate spirit of patriotism in Goan students. The competition will be held at Kala Academy in Panji from 9:30 am onwards.
आपला असा प्रयत्न आहे की आता अनेक शाळांनी या स्पर्धेमध्ये भाग घेणं म्हणजे जवळजवळ 700-800 मुलांना वंदे मातरम पाठ होऊन जाणार आहे. ही एक फार मोठी उपलब्धी आहे असं मला वाटतं. फार मोठा संस्कार आहे आणि आपला असा प्रयत्न आहे की गोव्यामध्ये सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना वंदे मातरम पाठ यावं, एक चांगला संस्कार म्हणून आपण त्यांच्यावर करावा. देशप्रेमाने ओतप्रोत भरणारे असे विद्यार्थी गोव्यामध्ये तयार व्हावेत आणि त्यांना देशासंबंधीचं प्रेम, चांगले नागरिक पुढे होण्याच्या दृष्टीने आपण हा संस्कार करावा. आयुष्यभर त्यांना पुरणारा अशा प्रकारचा संस्कार आपण या उपक्रमामधून देण्याचा प्रयत्न करत आहोत.
The school has received about 36 entries for the competition from all over Goa. The group will have 10 students with 4 musicians and musical instruments of their own. Prizes will be awarded for the 3 best groups with a trophy, cash and consolation prize for best composition of music.
11 सप्टेंबर जो आसा तो भारत दिग्विजय दिन असो सेलिब्रेट केलो वयता. म्हणजे स्वामी विवेकानंदाचे 1893 शिकागोचे भाषण जे आशिल्लें ते 11 सप्टेंबराक आशिल्लें आणि त्या निमतान मागीर हो दीस आमी सिलेक्ट केल्लो. हितून पुस्तक प्रदर्शन जातलें. म्हणजे रामकृष्ण विवेकानंद मिशनचे रामकृष्ण सेवा समिती म्हणून गोंयांत जी कार्यरत आसा त्यांचे विवेकानंदांचे पुस्तक प्रदर्शन हांगा लागतलें. म्हणजे दिसभर ते.
Omkar Falari for Prudent Media. News from sports after we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.